Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford F-150. Stock number is 18G635C. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. You have chrome wheels as well. Those wheels are wrapped with hand-cooked Dynapro tires. Running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Factory trailer hitch on the back here. Taking a look at the bed, spray-in bed liner and the Lakeland cap on top are going to keep your bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. You have climate controls here, and your four-wheel drive is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.